Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel Joe's Crafts and DIYs. For today's video, this is a collaboration with my purple sister Yvonne of Vonsworldusa Fil-am. We decided to do a Christmas DIY that would include candles. So she is making a candle stand or a candle holder, and in time for the second Sunday of Advent, I will be making a centerpiece that will have an Advent candle theme. So after watching my video, please visit her channel, show some love. She is an amazing woman, does a lot of stuffs. She does DIY, she does crafting, gardening, a lot of things. Although her channel is more focused in cooking, but still she have a couple in there that is DIY related. And who knows, maybe you will bump into a recipe that you would like to follow, so it's worth checking her out. Okay, all right, so let's get started. Right now I am just showing you guys the materials that I have available. As I have mentioned in my previous live streams or my previous videos, I am not very good at planning on my projects. I mean, I have an idea that's in mind, but it would still depend on what materials I have. So here I have the stems, I have these flowers, a vegetable tray, I have my leftover Christmas balls, and my candles, and I have this glass cake plate that I have been planning on throwing away because I saw that there is a little chip in the side and I didn't want to use it again. But good thing I didn't throw it away yet, because today I will be able to use it for my project. I also have this plastic mini wreath that I am not using for this Christmas, so maybe I can use it for this project. And I almost forgot that I have this light green ribbon that would look good on my candle. This ribbon is a little wide and I didn't really want to cover the whole candle, so I am thinking I will just cut it into half. These candles still have the clear plastic wrappers on them because I didn't take them off, so I am assuming that it is safe for me to secure the ribbons using the glue gun. Okay, so now that we're done with that, I will just see what I can put in an Advent candle set. You will see 4 candles. I usually use 3 purples and 1 rose gold or rose gold. Right now I am just trying to see what I can add onto it. So I have this leftover flowers. I can't remember very well. I think I used part of this when I made Mary Poppins costume 2 years ago. I have 3 purples, so I'm thinking I can maybe use this ones and this one and these. So yeah, those, and maybe I can just use this as a rose color. So let's see how it would look like.
maybe I can put it with this, maybe. Maybe I can use this pink ribbon. Let's see. So this is probably the ribbon running that I'm supposed to do. So this is what happened when you do ribbon. Let's see. Try to say that this is the pink candle. So this is our pink candle. Or orange. Well, not orange. This is our rose candle. Okay, you can put this in here. What do you think? So let's just put it aside and see. And I have this ribbon too. I got this at Michael's. One time I bought a whole bag, $5 bag of just random stuffs. So, and it has a bunch of things that you don't even know if you can use, but for $5, I grabbed it anyway. So let's see, so we have, and the reason why I use this one other than I have this, what is it, sequence ribbon, other than I have it available and I don't even know what I'm going to use it for, so that's why I use it. But the second reason is, if you have noticed on my Christmas tree, it's kind of a light green purple theme, so I thought it just matches my theme. I'm just going to twist that. It's a wire ribbon, so I can just twist it. And then you want to put these over there. Okay. And that even fit perfect. Fit really perfect in there. Let's just make it like that. And let's decide how the final look. See, I don't even measure. I'm just lazy, just work as I go, and whatever idea comes to me, right? And that's what I do. And the good thing about this candle is, since it's battery operated, it doesn't get too hot. So there's no worrying. It's just an Advent thing, but not really. Because for Advent, you light the candles, one candle each Sunday. Because the 4 candles represents the 4 Sundays before Christmas. So each Sunday, you light one candle. Like last Sunday was the first Sunday of Advent, and tomorrow actually is the second Sunday of Advent. So you light it one candle every Sunday. And then they said you light the first one you light would be the purple, and the next one would be the other purple, and the third one you will light the pink or the rose. And then on the 4th Sunday, you light the other purple. So see, you will light them one candle. I mean, not one, but you start with one, and then on the second Sunday, since you started the Sunday before that, then you'll have 2 candles lit for 6 hours. So, what do you think? I think it's okay. Not too fancy, but just okay. So, I have this cake plate, cake stand, cake holder. Well, I don't think there really is a certain way to arrange your candle, but it's what I have seen. It looks like a purple, and then another purple right there. Purple. So it's kind of like that. And I want it to be a little higher. So maybe I can just use this one. Put it down there. It can go a little higher. And what else can I use? Let's put something on this one. I don't think I'll be using them, so I'll put that for the pink. We have that and that. Okay, so it looks like this. And I have this little wheel. I have this one for 5-6 years now, but for this Christmas I didn't really use it, so I guess I can just use the greens. So they said an Advent candle set will need some greens. So we can put some greens down there. See, it's easy to take this out and then you can just put it back whenever you need it. So just have something goes in there. Okay, we can take them out and put them back when it's needed. Take them out. So you have some greens in there. Cover that up. And if I feel like using this again, I can just pick it up. That's so much easier. Yeah, I still have more greens. Just taking them off of the stem. As long as I have greens, that's the most important. And greens, we're going to put the other greens. So we're going to do this. And as long as your kids will not play with it, it should stay like that. More greens. Get it in the purples, it stays. Still have a couple greens left. Right here. Get it in the purples, so the purple helps secure it out. And just put this one over here. Let's get that over. So I still have all of these. If I want, I can add them. I thought I was going to use all these leaves, but I think I don't need it. That's it. Let me put the red ones in. There's only a few of them, so I have to put them. Okay, so this is our wreath. Not our wreath, our candles. So this is my vegetable tray. I will see if I can mix it like that.
So this is it, guys, my finished centerpiece slash advent candles. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.